Today is June 24th, 2025. Welcome to the Kubescape community meeting. All right, let me share the agenda for today. All right, so first items are on you, Oshrat.
Yeah, so I was at this roundtable this morning with Giant Swarm. They were talking about MCPs, utilization and platform engineering, really, really interesting stuff. The point is that they showed, on one of the slides, they showed something called Kagent or K-Agent, which I linked to here. And what they said, this is a new open source project, newish. And what they said is that they have, under agents, they have tools. Ben, I know that you're working on an MCP for Kubescape. And I was thinking that maybe doing, a compliance or a scanning sort of tool, we could, get Kubescape in here as well. You can see that there are really big names here. So if we can get our little name in here, that'd be nice. So yeah, that was interesting.
Cool. When I create agent, it links to the GitHub. So maybe they explain how to do it, right?
I imagine they do. And I also mentioned there, one of the first presenter, which was not Timo, was talking about a a blueprint of how of different different things that get done. Maybe I have the slide. I don't know. Yeah, I do have the slide. You want to see the slide? Do you care?
Yeah. Let me give you host.
By the way, Matthias, let's talk about we should be merging that the MCP pull request and release the Kubescape.
Yeah. Make host.
I can just send you the PDF if you want to do it that
No,
way.
no. You should be able to.
Okay, cool. Okay, so he shared this slide, and he showed different things that can do different things on different planes. And the compliance plane is all empty. And he said, I don't know of an open source that does compliance. And I wrote down Kubescape does compliance. So if you suddenly see a surge of people coming in from around Germany, that might be the reason. Germany.
Cool.
Yeah. And hopefully he will amend the slide as well. So yeah, that's just a tiny little thing that I saw this morning. So that's K-Agent. And the other thing, my other agenda item was, oh, there's a child.
Hey.
Kubescape.
Yeah. And the other thing was that what I did with I completed the house cleaning to a point on the roadmap. So what I did was I created 3 views according to the planning principles in the roadmap MD, planning, backlog, and wish list. I created labels to kind of do the matrix of the different types of enhancements, again, according to the roadmap MD planning principles. So there's a tag called enhancement, which I added where it was missing from different repos, which is the core platform enhancement, security, so for security features, and UX for user experience. What I did note was that there's no issues open for the wish list view. I don't know if I know that sometimes during the triage, this is like maybe or later or sometimes, so maybe we can stick that in the wish list. And I saw that there are also 3 boxes ticked for completing activities on Roadmap MD. Do we want to move them to completed features, and do we want to put others in that place? So those are my questions, and if I get answers, I'll continue to work on it.
Okay, so yeah, so the roadmap is No, it's not this one, right? It's the other project, right?
Exactly. This is the
Yeah. You say like wish list.
wish list is empty, but we've got backlog and planning, and each of them has labels according to which type of enhancement it is.
Cool. Yeah. Okay, great. So back to the questions. No issues open for the wish list view.
So if we have issues someplace that we're not doing right now, I don't know where you put them on Kubescaping, but maybe we can move them to the roadmap or add them to the roadmap under wish list. And for the completed features, Ben, do you want me messing with roadmap MD or do you want to tick all the boxes and then do a new crop?
Yeah, I think that let's I like to show like what things that we completed from the roadmap MD. So like at least the interesting things. So I would tick them and like add them and like maybe after like half a year start to remove big items.
Okay.
I think it's much better.
Okay. That's me. I was busy
Yeah.
with Kubescape like today.
Cool. I think I need to fix the link. Actually.
Let's talk afterwards about your GitHub handle, okay? To organize like how to add it to the org as as a contributor. Like I want to see what are the authorizations you have.
Okay. I don't have much, but I can play around with project boards and labels. If I need to change the MD, I need the regular pull requests, reviews by maintainers, etc.
Approval, yeah, for that.
I need air conditioning here. Excuse me. It should get cooler soon. Ben's got a window open because that's the benefit of living in the mountains or hills because Matthias lives in the mountains.
Yeah, no, not really.
Not really.
Close to the mountains, but not up there.
I think I live higher than Matthias.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, probably I'm like 500 meters.
Yeah. I'm 780.
Okay.
Yeah. Update or shreds GitHub
handle.
Yeah.
Don't give me too much permission because I don't want to break anything.
Don't worry. Okay, good. Anything else? Should we move to a short session of triage because I have things to finish? Okay, let me just like run again the update script if we have something new. Okay, one more new pull request. Well, let's start by the pull request actually. We have many.
Whoa.
See, so I think this one is for Matthias. This one is in progress. Interesting. Yeah, okay, let's look at them. Okay. We never tried this auto-mount service account token.
Yeah, this is on me. I assign me as a reviewer. I'm just forgetting to.
Okay. Ah, yeah, it's the admission library. Okay, yeah. Okay. Okay. I guess we'll see this one. Then, oh, yeah. Remember, I wanted to speak about it. So, yeah, if you remember, I removed the toggle here to not confuse Armo users.
Yeah.
And yeah, of course, it's annoying other people. So I think we should really, once we are done with the refactoring of the storage and node agent, we should move ahead with the private Helm chart so that we can have like an easier values file for.
Yeah, by the way, I have to say that maybe comments here and documentation would also help. Like one of the confusions that people are just didn't understand what this was and they just like turned it on. If you would write that, not like ask your vendor for, input or something like would, help
Yeah.
also.
I agree. Yep.
Turn this on only if you know what you do.
Yeah. Yeah, I will check if I can add some comments there. But yeah, but it would be nice like to have the private chart as well.
Yeah.
Okay. This is like stupid depender bot on the packaging one. This one, I wish I have time to finish my refactoring of the Kubescape builds with Go releaser, so then we can get rid of packaging as well. Because this is the repo that does the RPMs, right? And Debian. Yep. And the snap as well. Come on, snap. Who's using snaps today? Gonna close those anyway because it's already broken the repo. All right. Well, I will follow with the other pull request. Oh. Yeah, this is because this one should be fixed, right, with the new chart.
Yeah.
Yeah. Even the one before this one, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think.
Okay.
Unable to install Kubescape. No, wait.
Really? Brew still uses libgit 2?
What the hell? Assign it to Amir.
Hi everyone.
Oh. Hello, Giant. How are you?
Yeah, I am fine. Yeah. How are you?
Good, thanks. Oh yeah, I remember you wanted to discuss something.
Yeah. Actually, I was thinking I could work on this issue also. I'm actually using Mac only. So
For this one, yeah. You can check, but the issue is not related to Mac. I think the issue is that we are referring to a very old version. See, 303.
yeah.
So
So I was thinking.
probably by
Yeah.
updating to the latest one should be sufficient, and then making sure. Okay, and changing also the recipe to not build the libgit to just a regular go build. Yeah, if you want, you can have it.
Yeah. I was thinking actually I could work on it.
Oh, okay, good. Okay, let me assign it to you. What's your GitHub again?
Yeah, it's Jant Pranjal 0. So JAYANT PRANJAL 0. Yeah, actually that's my GitHub.
Yeah, maybe. I'm not sure it's gonna work. Huh? Oh, yeah. Okay, cool. All right, thanks. Yeah, I think it's just the matter of bumping and like correcting a bit the makefile, pseudo makefile. Nice one for Ben.
Yep. Assigned to me.
Okay. Yeah, so that's a feature one. Host scanner. GKE. Spec template, spec 0 masked.
What's this?
I don't know. Or maybe that's maybe it's not masked. It's I don't know. Okay, we should really deprecate.
We should have yeah, host scanner deprecation and use the node agent instead.
Yeah.
Combine
I wish
those
I
two.
can do that, Otem.
Yeah. I'm just, I don't think we can refer a host scanner currently.
Yeah.
We will
Actually,
see.
I just released a new version of the host scanner.
Wow.
By the way,
Yeah.
we want
This
to
morning because we had some standard library vulnerabilities.
do we want to move like ask Betzalel to take on himself this issue, because it's not a big thing to move the things to
To the node agent.
the node agent. Should be like someone he wrote originally the host agent. He knows it well.
Do you think he will be up for it? You know, doing that?
Sorry.
Do you think he will? Yeah.
Like let's
Yeah.
ask him.
Let's try. Okay.
Why not?
Mm,
It's not that a big fuss. Really, it's maybe a day or two of work, I think. Plus,
yeah, you can even vibe code it.
yeah, that's for sure. Right. The only thing, Matthias, the only thing there was that we needed to create CRDs with the results, right, per node. Like that was the only thing, that this was the only way that to give access to for Kubescape to access the results of the host scanning, right?
Yes.
Something like that.
Yeah. Okay. Well, I think that's it for now for the new things. And yeah, we have to do some book
Let's merge
scrub,
them.
I think. Yes. Right. It's actually, where is the MCP? It's still in yeah, this one. Yes,
That
it's
was my
enough.
only question that was left off. Yeah, because I've moved around some code to I did some consolidation in the code, so we won't have
Cool.
I need approval.
I'll give you. Cool. Yeah, and let's release a new Kubescape soon, because if you look at what we have right now, Kubescape is horrible.
Whoa.
Yeah, but because I'm waiting for a long time to release. Most of the things are merged, but I need to bump the version of the patching of the Docker file.
Oh, yeah.
You know the thing, and I need probably like 1 day just to update how we do it.
Yeah.
Yep. Okay. Anyway, I
So
think
are
that's
you
it for
really
now.
or do
Yeah. Merge your PR, and I will launch a release like in an hour or so.
okay.
Okay, sounds good.
Yeah. Just like
Guys, I
merging.
have to drop. Sorry. See you later.
Yeah. Okay. See you, Rotem. But I think we will drop anyway.
Yeah.
Soon.
Actually, Matthias, I also had an issue. Like I wanted to ask about how we would approach the issue. Like, uh, I sent
Sure.
you a link earlier. Yeah.
Let me see. Where did you send me a...
Yeah.
The issue 1200.
1200. Yeah.
Yeah. The anonymization of Kubescape result. Okay, let me share screen again. Yep. Okay. Sorry. Yes.
Yeah. So actually, I was like, there was a discussion thread already open. It's 1201.
Yeah.
So like in that they were actually discussing how to approach the issue, but yeah, but it was not actually completely decided upon a design on how to approach it. So I was thinking that could be done.
Mm-hmm. I see no comment from Ben in here. Because you opened the issue. Ah, yeah, and then there was a discussion. We never look at discussions.
Well,
The report contains sensitive like pod names, persona, strictly confidential, blah 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 blah. Mapping file that can be encrypted with secret key. Really? Okay, I wasn't even thinking about encrypting the results, but
it doesn't sound like a bad idea.
yeah. Yeah, I mean, looks like a good starting point. So how would we like to proceed, Giant? You want to like create or add your points to this discussion, or document it, or open a PR and document what you want to do in the PR, or
I can create a design documents for this and then add my points.
mm-hmm. Yeah, it could be like a public Google Doc.
Yeah.
That's good.
Okay, yeah, let's do that.
Okay. Cool.
Cool. Anything else?
No.
It was nice
But
seeing
yes,
you.
I will make a coffee and I will call you.
Okay, sure.
Bye.
Thank you, Oshra. Thank you, Giant. See you.
Bye bye.